In today's video, I'll be showing you how to hide apps on the Samsung Galaxy A15. The first thing you want to do is open the Settings app. So open the Settings app and scroll through your options until you find the home screen. Next, go through your home screen settings and select Hide Apps on Home and Apps screen. And then here you have a list of all installed apps on your device. If you wish to hide an app, you just tap on that selected app. Say for example, we want to hide our messaging apps. So you'll just select one like that, and you should see a section forming at the top labeled Hidden Apps. So every time you select an app, you should see it being added to this section. And to save your options, tap on Done. And you'll notice when you go to the Home and Apps screen, you can no longer find the hidden apps. If you wish to unhide an app, just go back to Settings. Go to your home screen settings. Hide Apps on Home and Apps screen. And in this hidden section, just tap on this minus button located on that app icon. So just tap on it like that, and you should see them being removed from the section. So now tap on Done, and you'll notice when you're back on the Home and App screen, you can find your apps. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.